Baby Truck looks really keen to drive into the big machine. He moves on slowly down the line, and now he's the monster of Frankenstein. Have fun trick-or-treating, Baby Truck, and remember not to scare people unless they want to be scared. Baby Truck heads off down the street, looking for trucks to trick-or-treat. There's some creepy decorations up for Halloween. Look at this spooky spider. Dylan the dump truck is working hard this Halloween. He's carrying lots of pumpkins for people to carve and turn into jack-o'-lanterns. He hasn't seen Baby Truck creeping up behind him. Dylan the dump truck jumps with fright and dumps his load of pumpkins all over the road. Oh dear, baby, that wasn't very kind. Where's Baby Truck off to now? He's creeping past the bus station. Shh, baby. Bobby the bus is getting some well-deserved rest. What a fright! Poor Bobby, he nearly jumped out of his skin. That wasn't very nice, baby. How would you like it if someone scared you like that? I think Bobby is a bit cross. There's Max the monster truck. He's about to test out his new monster tyres. But, uh-oh, look out, Max. Baby Truck's sneaking up behind you. Dear. I've never seen Max jump so high. Are you okay, Max? Baby Truck, that wasn't very friendly. I hope you've done enough trick-or-treating for one Halloween, baby. Oh no, baby's hiding behind that wall. Look out, Vicky. Yikes! Poor Vicky. I don't think she'll be serving you an ice cream for a while, baby. Baby Truck, I think it's time you came over to my garage for a Halloween party. Shh. Trick or treat, Baby Truck. It's not very nice to be scared, is it? It's just Max the monster truck in a monster costume. And here's Bobby dressed as a spider, Vicky dressed as a witch, and Dylan dressed as a giant pumpkin. Come on, let's all go trick-or-treating together. Wait a minute. Are those real ghosts? Don't get us, please, ghosts. It's just the mechanicals. I guess they finally decided to dress up as spooky ghosts. Ha ha! Hello, everyone. The mechanicals have been busy upgrading the truck wash so that it can do all kinds of new things. Today we're going to try out the new Halloween machine setting to get our friends ready to go trick-or-treating around town. Here they come now to help us test it out. Vicky, Andy, Max, Fiona, Rebecca, Mia, Florence, and Bobby. Before the trucks drive through the truck wash, we need to find the Halloween button. Can you help me find the right button? Which one do you think it might be? That's right, it's the pumpkin.
Halloween mode activated.
First is Vicky the ice cream van. Let's hope there is no hitch. Her ice cream cone becomes a hat. She's now a brilliant witch. Andy the animal ambulance is next in after that. a quick spray paint, and then he makes the perfect witch's cat. With a name like Max the Monster Truck, he's already halfway there. And with a whole new monster suit, he'll give us all a scare. Here goes Fiona the fire truck into the spooky vapour. She's a mummy wrapped in bandages. Or is that toilet paper? Rebecca the recycling truck drives into the machine. She's a scary swamp monster. Or slimy, big and green. Mia the mini digger's ready for her Halloween treat. She makes a brilliant ghost, now that she's covered with a sheet. In goes Florence the forklift truck. They're adding all sorts of things. She's now a flappy vampire bat with pointy teeth and wings. And now it's Bobby the bus, our last Halloween machine rider. And out he comes with 8 new legs. A big, huge, hairy spider. You all look fantastic. The mechanicals and I feel a bit left out. I'm going to go and change into my costume whilst the mechanicals take a trip through the Halloween machine. They built it, so it's only fair that they should get to have a turn. They head into the big machine. Will they be ghost or ghoul? Ha ha! They've all got pumpkin heads. That's so mechanical! Now I have my skeleton costume on, and everyone else is dressed up. We can all go trick-or-treating around the town. I hope you all have a spooky Halloween. See you again soon. Hello everyone! We've all been invited to a Halloween party at the construction site. The mechanicals are blowing up some spooky coloured balloons for us to take to the party. Midnight black, slime green, and pumpkin orange. The trucks are going to help me make a spooky Halloween cake for the party. Here come the ingredients. Dylan is carrying the flour. Sid has the cocoa powder and the sugar. Trevor has the butter and the eggs, fresh from the farm. Celia's here to mix all of the ingredients together in her rotating drum. This is going to be an enormous cake. Now the ingredients have been poured into the giant cake tin, we need to cook the cake. Let's set the truck wash to party mode. Can you remember which button is the party button? That's right, it's the red balloon. Party mode turns the truck wash into a giant cake baking and decorating machine. Let's bake that cake. First, the cake is cooked. Look at it rise. Now our Halloween cake needs some orange icing. And a face cut into it. And finally, the cake needs a giant candle inside to make the face light up. Look! Fantastic! It's a perfect pumpkin Halloween cake. Now it's time to get my truck friends into their spooky costumes for the party. Let's put the truck wash into Halloween mode. Can you remember which button is the Halloween button? That's right. It's the orange pumpkin. First in, our new truck, Tilly. Her costume's a real zinger. She makes a brilliant scorpion. Just watch out for her stinger. Next up is our friend Trevor. Let's take it to the next level. Just add a tail and some horns. What a cheeky devil. And next into the big machine, those mechanicals couldn't wait to put on their funny pumpkin heads. I think they all look great. Here comes Danny and Maisie to get changed into their spooky costumes. Danny the Digger goes in looking fine. But out comes a scary monster, made by Dr. Frankenstein. The last one in is Maisie. Will her costume make us shaky? Oh dear, she may have a forked tongue, but she doesn't look very snaky. Maisie wants to be a scary snake, but she's far too short and stout. Can you think of any way that we could stretch her out? That's right! We could press the stretch button. Can you remember which button is the stretch button? Yes, it's the blue arrows. Maisie's back in the machine. It makes her longer, just like this. Out comes a long and scary snake. Just listen to her hiss. Now we've got our costumes on, it's nearly party time. But maybe we should take something for our other truck friends to wear. We've got these traffic cone party hats from my birthday, but they don't look very scary. I've got an idea. We'll need to press the respray button. Can you remember which button is the respray button? That's right. It's the purple spray can. Along the belt go the orange cones to get a quick respray. And now they're black like witches' hats. I think we're ready. Hooray! We're all driving over to the construction site now. See you at the party. Tilly the Scorpion, Trevor the Devil, Maisie the Snake, Danny the Monster, what a great party! Happy Halloween, everyone! I'll see you again soon! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Happy Halloween, everyone! Ready for bed? Oh, Blue Mechanical, are you okay? Oh dear, it looks like there's a leak in the garage roof. We better go up there and fix it. Mechanicals, I need a volunteer to come and help me out, please. Thanks, Blue. Yikes! It's very rainy out here. Be careful, Blue. I think there's a storm coming. Oh no! Blue Mechanical's been struck by lightning! Are you okay, Blue? Come on over and let's get you into the garage and check you out. Poor old Blue Mechanical. It must have been very frightening. 1 minute you're working on the roof, the next you're struck by lightning. Your friends have checked you over and listened to you whir and beep. Now they think you're probably okay. You just need a good night's sleep. Good morning, everyone. It's another beautiful day at Gecko's Garage after the storm last night. How are you feeling, Blue Mechanical? There's no time for a break here at the garage. Here comes Max the monster truck. Max wants to go faster in his stunt show, so we're going to make some enhancements. Welcome, Max. With these changes we're going to make today, you're going to go as fast as lightning. Now, where did I put that screwdriver? Is it in this toolbox? No. In this drawer? No. I really must get more organised. Now, where is it? Max, where's your wheel gone? Well, that is a mystery, Max. I'm sure it'll turn up. But in the meantime, let's paint a new design on you. How about a lightning bolt? Blue? Blue? Are you okay, Blue Mechanical? Wah! Blue! What's got into you? Wah! Stop that right now, Blue! Why are you being so naughty? Oh no! Look at the mess that naughty Blue Mechanical's made. He's malfunctioning. That means something is terribly wrong with his onboard computer. Blue, look at the damage you've done. How are we ever going to repair this? Oh, Blue, it's okay. We'll get to the bottom of the problem. I wonder if the malfunction was caused by that bolt of lightning last night. Oh no, not again! Oh dear, he's on the loose and he could be anywhere. Mechanicals, we need to do everything we can to stop Blue. Go, go, Helen! Look, Mechanicals, there goes Millie the police motorbike. She's been called to an emergency. I just wonder if it's something to do with our blue friend. Let's follow her. Oh, look! Blue Mechanical's causing all sorts of trouble at the construction site. Gotcha! Come on, naughty Blue. Let's head back to the garage and get you back to your old self again. Mechanicals, can you stay here and repair Rick and Celia, please? Garage roof open at speed. It's time to help a mechanical in need. We must fix Blue Mac's problem. This really can't go on. Some of the time he seems fine, but then he goes all wrong. He's really been so bad today, and not just once or twice. Something's made him naughty, when he's usually so nice. There's something up with his computer code. It's just one word that activates his mischief mode. Can you help me? What is the word on the screen? I can't say it, in case Blue turns naughty again, but you can. If you can shout it out, then maybe we can help. Shout it out! Yes! You're right! I'll do some quick programming to remove the mischief mode from Blue's system. Now, let's try saying that word again together. Ready? Lightning! Hooray! You're cured, Blue. Thanks for your help on that. That's okay, Blue. Thank you for saying sorry. Look at all this mess. And poor old Max is still without his wheel. Look, Blue. Our friends have arrived to help tidy up the mess. And Red Mechanical has found your wheel, Max. That's what friends are for. It's amazing what you can achieve when friends all pull together. Our friend Max the monster truck is here at the stadium. He's practicing jumps and flips for his new super stunt show. Max wants to attempt a 360-degree backflip. It's one of the most difficult things a monster truck can do. To perform a perfect backflip and land back on his wheels again, Max needs to flip all the way over. Not 90 degrees, not 180 degrees, not 270 degrees, but a full 360 degrees. That's a full circle. Max is getting into position. I think he's ready. Three, 2, 1. Go, Max, go! 90 degrees? 180 degrees? 270 degrees? Oh no! Oh, Max, you nearly made it. But you landed very hard on your front wheels. I think you might have broken something. Let's check your steering. Okay, Max. Try driving in a straight line. Oh dear. Now try turning left. Oh dear, oh dear. Now try turning right. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. That's not good. I think we need to get you to the garage right away. Hello, Tilly? Please can you come over to the stadium right away? Max needs your help. Hello, Tilly. Are we glad to see you? Max's front wheels don't seem right. Could you tow him to the garage, please? And can you give me a lift back too? garage doors open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Let's all see what we can learn as we make Max turn. Max's jump didn't go well. That landing sure looked sore. I think his axle might be bent. Let's lift him to make sure. The axle connects to the wheels and helps Max change direction. Just look at his wheels sag. He needs closer inspection. With a broken axle, Max can't jump. This really isn't great. I'll call on the mechanicals to get that axle straight. Go, go, mechanicals! There, Max is looking much better now. Well done, mechanicals. I think Max needs more power to complete his backflip without crashing again. I'll get the mechanicals to fit his engine with a turbocharger. The turbocharger fits onto Max's engine to make him more powerful so that he can go faster and jump further. Wow, listen to that! Sounds like Max is ready to try that jump again. Let's head back over to the stadium. Max is ready. 3, 2, 1, go! 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees, he's done it! A full backflip and a perfect landing. Well done, Max. I'm glad Max completed his amazing jump in the end, with a little help from his friends at Gecko's Garage. Bobby needs cleaning in the morning. Bobby needs cleaning in the afternoon. Bobby even needs cleaning at night time. Every morning, Bobby has to refuel with dirty diesel to power his engine. Ew! Bobby's fuel smells terrible. It's so dirty. Here comes Evie, the electric car. She doesn't have any problems with dirty diesel. She's lovely. Bobby wishes he could be as quiet and clean as Evie. Evie charges up her batteries using clean energy from the sun. I wonder. Hey Bobby, how would you like to get rid of your dirty old diesel engine and run on clean electricity instead? It's a big job, but I think the mechanicals are up for it. Let's get you into the garage and get started. Drive onto the platform and let's see what we can see. What do we need to do to make you run electrically? Go, go, mechanicals! The mechs take Bobby's engine out. Fit motors to his wheels. Install a brand new charging port. There! Let's see how that feels. Oh no! Bobby's wheels won't go. Now what have we done wrong? Of course! He needs some batteries to power him along. Energy from the sun goes into the solar panels on the garage roof. That energy travels through our charger into the batteries on an electric vehicle like Evie. Evie stores the energy in her batteries, and that powers the motors in her wheels. It takes a lot of energy to power a bus, so Bobby's new batteries are very big and very heavy. Where should the mechanicals put the batteries, I wonder? How about at the back, where we took the old engine out? There's lots of room there. Oh dear, that's no good. The batteries are too heavy to all go at the back of the bus. Bobby's done a wheelie. How about we spread them out? Inside Bobby. The mechanicals might need to clear a bit of space first, though. Mechanicals. I know you needed to make space for the batteries, but I didn't mean take all the seats out. Where are the passengers going to sit now? On the roof? Hold on a minute. On the roof. Of course. Put those seats back in. I've had an idea. The best place for the batteries is up on the roof. Bobby stays balanced. There's still room for all his passengers inside, and the air going over the roof helps to keep the batteries cool and working properly. Let's install a cover over the batteries to protect them from bad weather. Perfect! Now Bobby's ready to roll. Let's get those batteries fully charged. %, 2%, 3%. This charger is far too slow. Bobby has a giant battery pack, far bigger than Evie's. We need to make this electric charger into a supercharger. Let's try again. They don't seem to have made this charger any faster at all. What's going on? Uh-oh. It looks like the mechanicals have supercharged the wrong charger. Blue Mechanical's charger is going crazy. Look at those numbers go. Eek! It looks like Blue Mechanical's got lots of extra energy to use up. Look at him go. Now that Blue Mechanical has helped to supercharge the charger, we should be able to charge Bobby's batteries at record speeds. It's working! Look at those numbers go! 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100%! Hello everyone! We've got a new vehicle to meet today. Maisie the Mower is cutting the long grass along the sides of the road with her giant cutters. She cuts the grass nice and short, so that vehicles can see where they're going and stay safe. Maisie leaves the rest of the grass and wild flowers to grow tall, so that bees and butterflies have plenty of nectar to eat. That's looking great, Maisie. Now that Maisie has cut the grass verges, she's here at the stadium with an important job to do. It's the Truck Cup final soon, so the vehicles are going to be playing football on this pitch. That's soccer for all you lovely American viewers. The vehicles are over at the garage getting painted up, ready to play in the Truck Cup final. But here at the stadium, the football pitch is very overgrown. It needs mowing right away so that the grass is short enough to play on. The pitch is enormous. There's lots of grass to cut. Maisie's mowing the pitch in lovely straight lines. Oh dear. I think I spoke too soon. Maisie's wobbling about, and the lines are all wavy. I think something's wrong with Maisie's steering. Oh no! Now she's cutting shapes into the grass. Triangle. Circle. Square. Rectangle. Pentagon. Hexagon. And star. That's no good at all. We need to get Maisie to the garage, but she can't drive in a straight line for long enough to get there. This looks like a job for Helen the helicopter. Go, go, Helen! Okay, Maisie, let's get you back to Gecko's garage. Garage roof open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Let's see what we can learn as we make Maisie turn. Your blades and your wheels seem okay. It looks like it's just your steering column that's broken. I'll get the mechanicals to fix you right away. Go, go, mechanicals! It's hard to get on with the mowing when you can't choose where you are going. You need to mow in nice straight lines in order to be finished on time. The mechanicals have fixed your steering. The football crowds will soon be cheering. Get back to the stadium and fast. Then you can cut that grass. Now that Maisie's been repaired, she's making short work of that grass. It's looking great. And following her is Sid the skid loader with his line painting attachment. He's repainting the pitch markings onto the lovely short grass. Well done, Maisie. Well done, Sid. Now Maisie and Sid have finished working on the pitch. Everything is nearly ready for the Truck Cup final. Join us next time to watch the match and see which team will win the trophy. Bye!